Hello everyone. So in this video we will learn how to post your WordPress article on multiple social media sites automatically. So the idea is that whenever a new post is published on WordPress, automatically the same post will be published on Facebook as well as LinkedIn. But the issue here is there is no active connection between WordPress, Facebook and LinkedIn. That is why we will be using an integration and automation software called as PabliConnect that integrates WordPress, Facebook and LinkedIn. The best part of using PabliConnect is a person without any technical background can perform this little integration very easily. Now before I show you the steps, how about we begin with a real-time example? Okay, so this is my WordPress account and this is my Facebook page and this is my LinkedIn account. So the idea is that I'm going to publish a post on WordPress and see whether we have a post on Facebook. At the same time, do we have a post on LinkedIn? So let me just perform the experiment. So this is about World Digital Marketing. Digital Marketing. Okay, so this is the title of the post. Okay, and this is the post content. Okay, let me just add a gap. Okay, so these are the details. So we have added the content. We have also mentioned the post title. So let me just straight away click on publish. So the post is getting published. So in a matter of seconds, we will check whether we have the details of this particular post published as a Facebook post. At the same time, do we have the same post published as a LinkedIn post? So the post is getting published. Just give it 1 or 2 seconds. Okay, so this is the Facebook page, and as you can see, we do have this particular post while a modern day digital marketing, the same post that we had published here while modern day digital marketing and all that stuff. Okay, the post is published here also, and let's have a look in LinkedIn. Okay, so as you can see, we do have the same post here also. Okay, and we also have the link of the same published WordPress post. Okay, so when we click here, we be straight away directed to the same WordPress post. Furthermore, again in the LinkedIn, we also have the URL. Okay, and it is going to open and show you the same post that we had published on WordPress. So you must be thinking, how did I do it? How did I manage to send the data from WordPress to social media apps like Facebook and LinkedIn? So basically, as I mentioned earlier, we are using an integration and automation software called as PabliConnect that has integrated Facebook and LinkedIn. Now, before I show you the steps, how about I show you a small perspective how this little integration is going to work? Okay, so this is how the integration is going to work. In the first step, you are going to integrate WordPress and PabliConnect with the help of webhook URL. You are simply just going to copy the webhook URL from PabliConnect and paste it into WordPress. Now, in the second step, you are going to collect the data of the content from WordPress into PabliConnect. Now, using the same data, you are going to create a post on Facebook. That's step 3. Now, in the step 4, you are using the same content data to create a post also in LinkedIn. Now, we have a perfect flow of data between WordPress, Facebook, and LinkedIn. The importance of creating this workflow is all you have to do is just build this integration for once, and then you can just sit back and relax. Because whenever a new post is published on WordPress, automatically the same content will appear on Facebook as well as LinkedIn. Awesome. Okay, so to begin the process, in the new tab, just type pably.com, 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 press enter. Okay, so this is the website of pably.com. All you have to do is just click on sign up for free. Here you can build your own account in just 2 minutes. In my case, I have already built an account, so let me just straight away click on sign up, sign in. Okay, so this is the app section of Pably. As you can see, let me just scroll down and here you will find connect. Just click on access now. Okay, so at the top right corner, you will find a button, create workflow. Click this, dialog box appears in front of you. We have to give a name to this workflow. So I'm going to give it as WordPress to Facebook to LinkedIn. Okay, I'm sorry, the spelling is kind of wrong. LinkedIn. Okay, let me just straight away click on create. So when you click on create, you will find 2 windows, the trigger window as well as the action window. Now we want to send the data from a WordPress post. So in the beginning, we are going to start with WordPress. So in the trigger window, I have selected the app as WordPress. Now in the trigger event, how about we make it as new post created? Okay, so new post publish, this one. Okay, so these are the series of steps that we have to follow to integrate WordPress and PabliConnect. So we will start with the webhook plugin. Okay, so as you can see, we do have to install a plugin called as webhook WP Webhooks. So let me just take you to the plugin section. Click on install plugin. And of course, I'm not going to teach you how to install a plugin, because if you're working with WordPress, you already may know how to install a plugin. So let me just show you the plugin. Okay, so let me just search for it, WP Webhooks. Okay, so it will show the plugin name. Okay, so this is the plugin, WP Webhooks. So again, I repeat, I'm not going to show you how to install a plugin. If you're concerned how to create or build a new plugin, all you have to do is just click on add new, just type WP Webhooks, install it and activate the plugin. Okay, so I'm assuming that you have installed and activated WP Webhooks. So this is the plugin. Then what? Then we have to go to the settings part. Okay, so we have to go to the settings part. Settings it is. Okay, so after the settings, we have to go to the settings once again and just click on send data and send data on new post. Okay, we can do that. We have to click on send data. Okay, and after that, we have to click on send data on new post. Okay, so send data on register, send data on login, send data on user deletion, send data on new post. Okay, then what next? So now after that, we have to enter the webhook name as well as, okay, so this is the webhook URL. Just click on add webhook URL. We have to give a webhook name. So I'm going to give a random name. So how about Facebook and LinkedIn? LinkedIn. Okay, now we have to enter the webhook URL. So this is the webhook URL. I'm just going to copy this and of course I'm going to paste it here. So easy. Just click on add for post create. Okay, now there are many other things we have to do. After we have created the webhook URL, you just go to the add button. Okay, that's something we have done. We have also entered the URL. Okay, so till here we have done everything. Okay, now we have to go to the post setting. Okay, so let me just scroll down. So this is the newly created one, Facebook and LinkedIn. As you can see, I did create a ton of them. Now for your consideration, I had created one more, that is Facebook and LinkedIn. Now I'm just going to click on these three vertical dots, and here I'm just going to click on setting. Now what's next? Then we have to click on trigger on selected post type. Okay, trigger on selected post type. Trigger on selected post type. Click on post. Okay, then after that, you are just going to trigger on initial post change setting. Okay, so we are just going to click on, okay, so that is, I think, trigger on initial post setting change. And what's next? Okay, here we have to select publish. Okay, so here we have to select published. I think we are done, and let me just click on save setting. Okay, so my point is, at this point we have integrated WordPress and Pabbly Connect. Let me just cancel this. So my point is, anytime we create a new post in WordPress, Pabbly Connect has to capture the data. So let me just create a new post, because I think Pabbly Connect is waiting for the data. Okay, so what we are going to do here is we are going to create a dummy post. Okay, so let me just click on post, create a new post. And once this post is created, the content detail will be available in Pabbly Connect, because Pabbly Connect is integrated with WordPress. So the name of this particular post is Marketing 101. So Marketing 101. Okay, and let me just add the details of the post, a very small post. Okay, just a paragraph. And let me just click on publish. Okay, so when I publish this post, once this post gets published, I'm expecting that the details of this particular post will be available in Pabbly Connect, because Pabbly Connect is now integrated with WordPress. So once this post is published, it is taking too much time. Okay, just give it 1 or 2 seconds. So once the post is published, let's have a look in Pabbly Connect. Do we have the details of this particular post? Okay, so the post is published, Marketing 101. So let's have a look. And we do have the details. So this is the title of the post, that is Marketing 101. And this is the post content. So we have got all the details. Excellent. Now there is an interesting thing that I have to show you. So let me just show you the post title. I'm sorry, the post link. So this is the post link. So when I copy this and open this in a new tab, it will just show me the same post that we have published recently in WordPress, Marketing 101. I hope it is getting clear. So we have the post content, we have the post title, and also the post URL. So now we are going to create a post on Facebook page. So let me just let me just select the app in the action window as Facebook page. Okay, Facebook pages it is. Now in the action event, how about we make it as create page post? Just simply click on connect. We are going with a new connection. Just click on connect with Facebook pages. Okay, so it is showing the authorization is nearly complete. Just give it 1 or 2 seconds. Okay, so the integration is complete. Okay, so as you can see, we have three fields: the page access token, the message, as well as the link URL. Now we do have the page, and these are all the pages that is present in my Facebook account. So let me just take you to my Facebook account, and let me just show you all the pages I have. All the pages that is present here is being reflected here, okay, in the drop down. Now I want to work with this particular page. Okay, the name of the page is my page, so I'm going to work with this particular page. So that is why I'm going to select this page, that is my page. So the idea is that I'm going to publish the post on this particular page. Now by default it is already showing the page access token. You don't have to do anything about it, just leave it like that. Now we have to map the message. Now this is the content, or this will be the post message. Okay, let me just show you the content. Let me just scroll up, scroll up, scroll up. Okay, so this is the post content. So I'm just going to map that particular detail here. I'm going to click here, I'm going to click here, and this is the content, and we have mapped it. Then we have to enter the link URL. So what is the link URL? Now this is something that I have mentioned earlier. So this is the link, okay, the permalink. So where is our permalink? I had actually copied it and shown you. Okay, so this is the permalink. So we are going to add this particular detail here. I'm just going to click here, and let me just add the permalink. Where is the permalink? Nope. Yeah, I think this is the one. Okay, and we have mapped it. Let me just click on save and send test request to finally create a post on Facebook page. Okay, so as you can see, we do have the post. Okay, by implementing at omnichannel, same post that we have published, and when we click here, you will be directed to the same post that we had published on WordPress. Okay, marketing 101. So what's next? So let me just go to Pabbly Connect. Okay, and let me just introduce one more window. Now we are going to deal with the LinkedIn. Okay, basically it will involve the same step only that we had done in Facebook. We are just going to map the content and also add the URL. Okay, share an article or URL, just click on connect. Just go with a new connection, just click on connect with LinkedIn. Now remember this, my LinkedIn account is already open. Let me just click on sign in. Okay, so yeah, the authorization is successful. Brilliant. So now by default it is showing the author as Aaron. This is because I am the author, or basically this is the my profile, Aaron Manuel. That is why it is showing author as Aaron. Okay, now we have to map the content. So this is the content. Okay, so this is the post content. Then we have to mention the article URL. This is something that we had done earlier in case of Facebook. Now we are just going to repeat the same process. So this is the permalink. The visibility, I'm keeping it as public. So let me just click on save and send test request. Okay, so as you can see, the response is a positive one. So let me just take you to LinkedIn. And as you can see, this is the post. Okay, by implementing an omni-channel directive and so and so. If you click on the link, you will be directed to the same post on WordPress. Okay, so as you can see, we have the same post on WordPress. Awesome. So the presence of this data indicates that we have a successful integration between WordPress, Facebook, and LinkedIn. Now, before you leave, let me just explain you the whole mechanism in a nutshell. So let me just go to Pabbly Connect, and let me just minimize this action window. Let me just minimize this action window, and let me just minimize the trigger window. So basically, this is the whole process in a nutshell. First, you integrated WordPress to Pabbly Connect, and after that you have published a post. Now after publishing the post, you have used the same details to create a post on Facebook pages. After that, you have introduced LinkedIn to create one more post. So now we have a perfect flow of data between WordPress, Facebook pages, and LinkedIn. Awesome. So not just these two apps, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, please contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect as well as the workflow is available in the description box. If you really like this video, please comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.